Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've last posted, so I really apologize for that 1 month long break. But I'm back now, and today I'll be reviewing a product that has been released for a while now, but I finally got my hands on it, and I've been using this product for about a month now. And as you can see in the background, it is none other than the Pixel Buds Pro. So ladies and gentlemen, this is none other than the Pixel Buds Pro. So I'll be reviewing the Pixel Buds Pro and taking you through my experience with the Pixel Buds Pro, which I've been using for about a month now. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the unboxing. Alright, so when we first open up the Google Pixel Buds Pro, you are greeted with a googly type of design. So you open up the cardboard box and then you get the Google Pixel Buds Pro box itself. Now once you open that, the first thing you get inside the box is the Google Pixel Buds Pro, and then you also have some earbuds for your ears. So you have both medium and large for your ears, and you can pick and choose whichever you want. Alright, so I'll be splitting this review into 4 different sections, so it'll be easier for you to follow at home when watching this video. So firstly, I'll be talking about the design of the Pixel Buds Pro. Secondly, I'll talk about the battery life of the Pixel Buds Pro and how it compares to the competition in this whole Bluetooth earbuds industry. Thirdly, I'll talk about some of the features that the Pixel Buds Pro have. And finally, I'll talk about the sound quality, which I think is the most important part when buying a wireless earbud. So without further ado, let's start off with the design of the Pixel Buds Pro. So it comes in this very small case, which I love, which is similar to the likes of the AirPods Pro, which is why I bought this product to try out. And I've been saying that it's been really pocketable and really easy to just keep inside the pocket or just throw inside a small bag. So it is really convenient to carry around whenever you need it. And also, each earbud is pretty tiny, so as you can see right here, it is pretty small. So putting it in my ears is pretty easy as well, as you can see. And once you do get them in, it's really pretty hard for it to come out. So I think for a truly wireless earbuds, it's really important to get a really good fit. So if you have an Android phone, you will be able to have an app that allows you to check whether the Google Pixel Buds Pro fit your ears properly. For me, I've tried it on the app and it works flawlessly. So if you do get these earbuds, you can try it for yourself if you have an Android device. Okay, so design wise, I think it is pretty sleek, comparable to the AirPods Pro. Now compared to the other competitions such as the Sony Link Bud S as well as the Sony WF-1000X and Force, I think these are more comparable to the Link Buds S as well as the newly released Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2. Both of them are small in size, however I do think that the Pixel Buds Pro fits my ears the best, which is why I got the Pixel Buds Pro. Alright, so next let's talk about the battery life of the Pixel Buds Pro. So now it does sit at 7 hours with noise cancellation on and 11 hours with noise cancellation off. Now with the case, you do get about 31 hours, and that is definitely better than the competition out there, and is some of the best battery life I've ever seen in a truly wireless earbuds industry. Now comparing with other devices, as you can see right here, I do think that the Pixel Buds Pro does stand a pretty good chance at beating most of the competition. Now it does have a quick charging feature. 5 minutes of charging does give you 1 hour of full usage, so you don't have to worry about constantly having to charge your Google Pixel Buds Pro. Alright, thirdly, let's talk about some of the features that the Google Pixel Buds Pro have. Now, as you can see on my left ear, swiping right allows you to turn up the volume, and swiping down will allow you to bring down the volume. Now this is something that I don't really see in some of the earbuds out there. Sony doesn't have it, Samsung doesn't have it, and Apple definitely don't have it as well. So this is something that I really like with the Google Pixel Buds Pro, and it's something that put me over to buy the Pixel Buds Pro. Next, here are some of the basic controls which every earbuds have. Tap on either side of the earbud to play pause your music, double tap to skip a track, and triple tap to go back a track, and long pressing will allow you to either activate noise cancellation or enable transparency mode, which is pretty good. Alright, so that's all for the features of the Pixel Buds Pro. Now I'm going to talk about the noise cancellation of the Pixel Buds Pro. As I'm talking on the camera right now, I have transparency mode enabled. If I were to enable noise cancellation, pretty much the aircon and the fan in front of me is blocked out and I can't hear anything at all. But if I were to enable transparency mode, the sound starts coming in, the aircon noise starts coming in, and I do think that the transparency mode is a bit worse compared to the AirPods Pro, but it is not too shabby considering that it is Google's first truly wireless earbuds. However, on the side of noise cancellation, I do think that it is pretty good and it is comparable with the AirPods Pro. When using it on public transport such as on a train or on a bus, it does cancel out most of the noise on the road as well as the bus or the train noise. So I do think that the noise cancellation is pretty good, comparable to what Sony earbuds can pull off. Alright, lastly, let's talk about the sound quality of the Pixel Buds Pro. I do think that the Pixel Buds Pro does sound a bit soft as compared to other truly wireless earbuds out there. When comparing it to the Sony LinkBuds S, the WF-1000XM4s, as well as the AirPods Pro, I do have to turn it up all the way to 70 to 75% before I hit the volume level of the other earbuds at 50%. Now this is quite concerning, and I do hope that Google does fix this in a software update, because right now without the audio issue and turning it up all the way to 70%, I do think that it sounds better than the AirPods Pro and a little bit better compared to the LinkBuds S. The mids are better, the bass is a bit deeper compared to the Sony's, and the vocals just sound more clearer compared to the Sony's and the AirPods Pro. However, it is not as good when it comes to the sound volume. I do have to turn it up all the way to 70% in order to achieve that level of audio quality. So Google, if you are seeing this video, I do hope that you do solve the sound issue that is happening right now with the Pixel Buds Pro. So overall, at $299, I do think that it is a decent buy. For its price, it undercuts the AirPods Pro at its retail price of $379. However, it's been 2 years since the AirPods Pro has came out, so it has definitely gone down in price to about $200 to $250. You can find them anywhere. And yeah, if you're looking for a brand new truly wireless earbuds, I do highly suggest that you take a look at this if you own an Android device, because it is pretty easy to pair with your Android device. Just open the device, open the earbud near your Android phone, and it will automatically pair just like how it will pair with an AirPod connecting to an iPhone. However, if you do use an iPhone, do not fret as well. You just have to go to the Bluetooth settings, connect it one time, and it will always connect to your iPhone whenever you put your earbuds into your ears, so no worries there. The Google Pixel Buds also does support multi-point connection, so you can connect two devices at one time. So you can have an Android phone as well as an iPhone and connect to them both at the same time. Now, in order to have this multi-point connection, you must have an Android phone to enable this feature. If you only have an iPhone, you won't be able to download the app and use this feature, which I think should not be the case. I do think that they should have an app for an iPhone as well, because iPhone users might want to buy this earbud if they can't afford the next AirPods Pro 2 that Apple might announce later in September. So overall, my thoughts are that these are a good pair of earbuds for someone who wants good noise cancellation earbuds, don't mind the higher volume that you have to adjust when listening to music, although once adjusted you do get pretty good sound quality, and a small, compact, convenient package for you to use whenever you have to travel over long distances. And yeah, overall I do recommend the Pixel Buds Pro at a price tag of $299. Now, if you do enjoy this video, do subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on the bell notification icon so you do not miss the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Take care and goodbye.